Okay, guys, so as I promised, this is just a little quick video of me using the foam bright. And excuse my little mess I'm making while I'm doing so. But basically, you actually just squirt it into your aligners and you do it like so. And you don't do too much, not too little, just enough to actually cover them. And this is just for the whitening part for your teeth. And so you place them in and you do not swallow the residue, you guys. You make sure you spit that out. I spit it out into a towel, or if you're already at your sink and you're doing this at home, spit it out into the sink. And then I go and I do my bottom set and I actually do the same exact thing. And I squirt it into it, and then I make sure that I spit out the residue. And then I'm going to show you the finished product when it's done. And if you refer back to my old videos, you see how much progress my teeth has made.